USeen podcast.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a genuinely groundbreaking solution to one of our biggest environmental crises. I know, it sounds a little bit like science fiction, but it is happening right now, and honestly, it sets a super hopeful, energetic tone for the future of our planet.
So, get this. Can we actually teach bacteria to eat our plastic waste? Okay, let's dive into this. We're looking at a mind-bending reality where microscopic organisms are literally being recruited to clean up humanity's biggest messes. Now, to understand why this is absolutely critical, we really have to grasp the sheer scale of the problem. We produce over 300 million metric tons of plastic globally every single year. It's basically created this massive pollution monster that invades everything from our oceans to our soil, and it literally takes nature centuries to break it down. And let's face it, our traditional methods are simply failing us. Relying on landfills and, those notoriously low recycling rates, it just isn't scalable for the amount of waste we generate. But what if we completely abandoned the old way? Instead of just burying the problem, we now have AI-optimized microbial degradation, which allows us to actively digest it. Okay, to demystify the science here, we need to understand a term called metaproteomics. Basically, this is the study of the specific protein tools that bacteria use to interact with their environment. Scientists are using it to find these microscopic heroes armed with special enzymes. There's one called PETase, for example, that specifically targets and breaks down stubborn plastics. And this is where the technology really accelerates the whole process. Machine learning acts like a high-speed detective. First, AI analyzes massive biological datasets. Second, it identifies the absolute best microbes and enzymes for the job. And third, it predicts and optimizes the perfect environmental conditions, like the ideal temperature or pH level, so these plastic-eating microbes can thrive and work as fast as possible. So what's the ultimate goal here? It's to establish a truly circular economy. By breaking down plastics at the molecular level, we aren't just destroying waste. We're actually breaking it down into basic building blocks that can be reused. We're turning a persistent pollutant into a highly valuable resource, which really paves the way for a sustainable future. By teaming up artificial intelligence with the incredible power of nature, we finally have an optimistic roadmap to heal the planet and neutralize the plastic threat for good. I mean, it really begs the question, how long until the plastic water bottle in your hand becomes an extinct concept? For more information, please read the full manuscript on the MJOSH website. This video was generated with the assistance of Notebook LM.